This is Royal Caribbean's Icon of the Seas, front of the ship on deck 15. This is where the Aqua Dome, it's called the Aqua Dome, the Aqua Theater is. There's the Hook Seafood, the Overlook. There's the Aqua Dome Market here as well. So this is a great area. This is where the Aqua Show is. This is unique to the Icon class ships, that the Aqua Theater is in the front of the ship as opposed to the Oasis class, which is in the rear of the ship. Come in here. You can go to this Aqua Dome Market and grab food. They have a great menu here, kind of little stations where you order food. And you can get the food. You can come sit out here in the Aqua Dome area, watch the performers go through practicing. They're practicing on a daily basis, so you can watch that. This is a great area to grab a bite to eat. Great for lunch, dinner. And the food at the Aqua Dome Market is complimentary. There's no additional cost for it. You can also take your food up to the front to the Overlook area as well. Quick tip, if you come here to watch the show, the Aqua Dome, the Aqua Action Theater, bring a pad, something to sit on. They have a corrugated plastic bench that really is very uncomfortable to sit on. So quick tip if you're coming to watch that. Little bar here on the right side as you're walking towards the front. And then this whole front area is the Overlook area. This big panoramic glass dome area over the front of the ship. You can see out of this area. We'll walk down through this area, show you this area. There's a bar down there, and there's also these Overlook pods, which are awesome. We'll go through those as well. This area is the Aqua Dome pod overlook area. These pods are elevated. There's a couple of these pods that are elevated. You can see out, gives a nice panoramic view of the ocean as you're sailing. You can walk up here. Oftentimes these are going to be very, very busy. It's hard to find these available because there's just a few of these really elevated pods. Most of these pods can hold 10, 12 people, so there's a lot of spacious room if you can find one available. Walking on this side of the Aqua Theater, we see the Hooked Seafood Restaurant. This is a premium restaurant, so there is a cost to dine here. You need reservations, and there's a cost for this. But this is the great seafood restaurant. You can see here's another view of the Aqua Theater from this side. You can see these benches here. They're like a corrugated plastic bench there, so be aware of that. And a quick shot of the menu. And then as we're walking out, there is this Royal shop. This is all things Royal Caribbean, so all the Crown and Anchor accessories. I never saw anyone working in here. I don't know if it was open all the time or what the hours were, but it's got some cool stuff in there. A lot of like Royal Caribbean themed jewelry and accessories and things. This is a great area to hang out in. Thanks for watching the video. Hit that thumbs up button, subscribe to the channel. We'll see you in the next one. Thanks.